Malawi faces multiple hazards in both rural and urban areas. These include floods, heavy storms, drought, and dry spells. Between 1974 and 2019, more than 25 million people have been affected by these hazards, which are becoming more frequent, intense, and unpredictable. One of the reasons why the disasters that follow these hazards are becoming more and more destructive is lack of engagement of the affected communities to talk about how they can adapt to climate change and otherwise what they can do to make themselves less vulnerable to damages and losses from disaster events. The Tikonzekere Arts Contest is a tool that aims at engaging people in Malawi to discuss problems that they face because of such disasters through artistic creations that they and others create and share. In this year's initial vision of the contest, the theme is communicating flood vulnerability reduction good practices through arts in Malawi through songs, poems, stories.
It is not safe for you to be walking to and from every day in this weather, boy.
Chisomo 13 is standard 7 first control.
Short videos and drawing artists are communicating messages on what households and communities can do to help reduce their flood vulnerability individually or collectively themselves. Artists are using their skills, 1, to promote people to relocate or to improve housing and infrastructure standard maintenance and usage. 2, to motivate individuals, households and communities into adoptive behaviors that help them prevent waterborne diseases. 3, to motivate positive attitudes and behaviors towards effective preparedness actions and useful climate change and meteorological services information. 4, to motivate people to use and promote appropriate agriculture, forest and resource management practices in water catchment areas to reduce negative flood impacts.
Tikonzekere Arts Contests are implemented by Rural Livelihood Risk Management Consulting, Sustainable Development Initiative SDI, and Society for Education Initiative SEI, with financial support from the Government of Malawi through the Department of Disaster Management Affairs and United Nations Development Programme UNDP, with technical support from Tikonzekere Arts, Storylink Africa, Jacaranda Cultural Center, Music Crossroads Academy, Gold Mountain Media, Waharaba Art Gallery and Care, Conservation Music, UNESCO and Red Cross Malawi.